Guys, it took me a while to figure out how to run the lift axle on this. I didn't realize that you had to have the brake off in order for it to work. So as you can see, I've got the lift axle on the ground right now. And over here on the right, if I hit this button, I believe, and it lifts it up. Okay? So I just wanted you guys to see that. And obviously, if I can get in here, that is not a drive axle, obviously. I'm sure you guys already knew that, but it's not a drive axle. That's just a lift axle on the front. So anyway, I think I got that figured out anyway, guys. So I think we got everything done on the truck we needed to do. And we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna do a quick walk around video of it, guys, and just kind of show you the truck up close, then we're gonna go back and park it.